Hey there folks, so let's say that we want to take this shape that we made last week, that we split and separated into 5 different bodies, and put only this part back together. Well, first you'd hit Ctrl-Z a bunch, and then you'd use your combine tool. So we're not going to combine this one, but we're going to put this one back together. So we're going to select a target body, so we'll select body 1, and then we'll select all the tool bodies that we want to go back together. So all of these guys. So you can do it as a new component, which is very useful for assemblies later on, but we're not going to do that right now because I don't have, because I just didn't make an assembly video yet. I'll probably make that one soon because I really like assemblies. I use them all the time. And there's no tools, so we're not going to hit keep tools, but if you had any tools like attached, any special features, then you would hit keep tools. But we're just going to hit OK, and that turned them all back into body number 1. And as you can see, body 5 is still separate. They're 2 still separate entities. I can move these independently, and I can move this one independently. So combine tool, one of my favorite tools in Fusion. Very useful, but that's how you use it.